Adelaide, what do you got there? You don't like what you're watching? You turned it on to inside City Hall. She's a real New Yorker. She wants to watch New York 1. Hey, kiddo. Oh, she's pausing it because I'm talking to her. I guess I'm disturbing her. Adelaide! Adelaide! What do you got? She's ignoring me. Adelaide. Yo. Adelaide. What do you got there? You think it's funny? You think stealing the remote is funny? Can I have it? She's got some dinner on her face. We didn't clean her face properly. This is the first time she's been allowed to play with the remote, so she's really excited. Can you please put something interesting on and stop pausing it? Thank you. Oh. You gave it to me. The devastation. Sorry.